Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook enter confirmation code problem. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say you've already logged in, but it needs a code. And then if the confirmation screen is stuck waiting for an SMS that never arrives, you can force Facebook to switch to an alternative delivery pipeline, okay? So you'll have an option, try another way, or didn't get a code. You can go ahead and tap on it and choose to use either WhatsApp, email, or even an authenticator app. That's one option. Now, you don't have those options. You only got SMS tied to your Facebook login. So what you'll do next? So go ahead and open up your control center right here at the very top. And then toggle airplane mode. Turn it on and wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn it back off. All right? Do the same thing for Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're currently connected to them. And once that's done, reopen up the Facebook app, close it entirely, reopen it, log in, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, maybe it's a problem with the application. Okay, you're going to want to try to open up Facebook from a web browser. Right here, just go ahead over to m.facebook.com. Log in with the same exact credentials, hit on login, and then once that's done, check if it works. If it works on the browser, not on the app, maybe the app just needs an update. Now, to go ahead and update the app, just go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store, find Facebook, just like so, and then just to update it. And those are the ways to fix Facebook enter confirmation code problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.